This is a thimble, a fairly early one probably. These are probably good evidence of a very domestic activity, probably sewing. A lot of the buttons, none of the buttons match, they're not sets, so that tells you they're reused probably. But the pins here are used for two purposes, one possibly sewing, but also they held together when it's clothing. In this case, and I'll see if I can open this up without. There, okay. We've tried to show a number of things here. These are architectural remains, and from the Tavern period, you would expect to see this kind of nail. See, the head is large. It's very, very irregular in profile, and this is a handmade or hand-wrought nail. This, however, a little bit later, is it's still in the yeah, this one's still in the, nope, it's machine made. So this is after 1800 or so. This is actually cut from a piece of steel, a piece of iron, and the head is made by machine. So we know this is much later than this. This is, you know, the Romans were making these, and they made them right up till right up till the early 1800s. They were still being made. These.
So as soon as we find the machine-made nails,
we know we're in the well, mostly in the 1800s. Jefferson had a nail cutting machine, and he bought it in, I think, 1796.
Okay. But he was on the cutting edge.
But he would have been, yeah.
Get it?
That probably, yeah.
Sorry.
That's okay. But we have architectural remains here. We have, I'm not going to pick this up with my hand because it's already been conserved. We have 3 of these. 2 of them kind of looked worse than this nail does when we took them out, and we've run them through. Run this one through completely through the conservation process. But we have 2 about this size and 1 much larger, possibly a house door key. These I'm not sure about, but they're certainly 18th or 19th century keys.